Have you ever seen text that looks so unique and creative that it feels like part of the design itself? For those who aren't aware, typography isn't just fonts, it's how brands grab attention in marketing, advertisements, and social media. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional designer to create this. Today I'll show you how to create this typography design, which was actually made from a lemon graphic. For this, we'll be using only Canva and a little creativity, so let's dive straight into this fun and creative tutorial. To start, first head over to canva.com and click on Create a Design. For this video, I'm choosing a presentation slide as my base canvas, but honestly you can pick any size you prefer. Now on this blank slide, let's begin by adding the lemon element we'll use for this typography. To do that, click on Elements on the left side and then type lemon in the search bar. You can pick either graphics or real images, whatever suits your style, but for this tutorial, I'll go with a graphic. Now that we've got the size and alignment just right, it's time for the fun part, creating the actual typography. In order to do that, head over to Apps on the left side and then click on Typecraft app. Now this is the tool that makes typography super easy. Since we're designing around a lemon, I am going to type lemon in the text box. Now regarding the font, you can choose anything that you want. For this video, I'm going to use Anton Regular. Also, do not forget to set the text color to white. Now the real magic happens with the Edit Shape tool. This is where we adjust the typography size and design. Personally, I like to place the element first on top of my object as a guide before shaping the text, but you can modify the shape first if that works better for you. As you can see, I kept adjusting and tweaking the letters for a while until it looked just right, and that's the key. Keep refining until you love how it looks. Once the edit looks just right, it's time for the next step. I'll duplicate this design onto a new page. Then I'll head over to Elements, grab a square shape and change its color to black. I'll remove the lemon image, but if you look closely, the typography is still there. By positioning the black square behind the text, I will create this banner-like image of the typography and then proceed to save this. Make sure to download it as a PNG or a JPEG. Once downloaded, I'll upload it back into this Canva project and place it on the first page, right where the original lemon element is. Now back on the first page, I'll remove the original white typography from the lemon and replace it with the banner image we just created. The whole point is to make sure that our typography blends seamlessly with the lemon's texture and color. Once you upload the banner image to the first page, adjust it to fit the entire page. This will make the rest of the editing process much faster and easier. Now I'll use the background remover. To get rid of the black portion and keep only the letters, I'll click on the image first and click on Edit and go to Duotone. From here, I'll select Cherry, but you can choose any option because in the end, we'll adjust both highlights and shadows to white to achieve the same effect. And just like that, we have our typography. To make it look even more realistic, I'll slightly crop the image, refining the final look, and there you have it, the completed lemon typography. You can save this however you prefer. If you'd like, you can also group the elements and save it as a graphic for easy use. I'm also deleting the second page with the banner since it's no longer needed. And that's it for today. Let me know if you'd like more content like this. Feel free to comment on what you'd like to see next, whether it's more Canva tutorials or something marketing related. Also, since this is my first tutorial video, I'd really appreciate your support, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.